Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create a website on Profreehost. Here you can get unlimited free web hosting for lifetime. As you can see, we are looking at profreehost.com, and on the right side you can see $0 for life. They don't charge for anything, and if you think there are any hidden charges, there are none. So just remember that. We have on the left side some features which is very useful, and obviously we should know before we go further and start registering, right? So as you can see, they provide 5 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, MySQL databases, and even cPanels also. Website builder 100% free, like I said, no hidden charges, and free subdomains, which is very good in my opinion, and having 100% uptime. This can be questionable because people actually suffer because the server of the company tends to have some problems, and you will not be able to expect too much from their free web hosting web service. Obviously the technical performance of the hosting is below average, and the company is a free hosting provider, and obviously cannot afford to sustain the quality of the servers. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it does not. So obviously there are pros and cons for every single hosting out there, but these are the things which I wanted to tell. It's a very easy process to register. It's free. Like I said, just click on this and register with your Google account or any email you are using right now. So if I click on register now, it might take some time to load up another page. So don't think that it got stuck or it's not working, but it might take some time because they used ads also. They need to generate some money, right? Obviously. So you can see that I have been using one of their, domain or hosting, you can say. And this is a domain which I have taken from, obviously given from Profreehost by itself. So what you're going to do right now, just click on create new. Once you click on create new account, you would end up over here. Here you can see we have two options: free domain, which I was using, and they would provide you these two, obviously. And there was one more, and I have already used that. So there were three actually. And you might get something like this also. And you can name your website from over here also and check the availability. But if you want to use your own domain, you can use it. Just click on or check mark this custom domain, enter your domain name over here. And what happens, just copy this and paste that in your obviously domain name servers, so that this host and your domain can be connected. But for this tutorial, I'm going with the basic one and the domain they are providing me. So I'm going to name anything over here like Crack Shop and check the availability first of all. And obviously it's available right now, and click on done. Once you click on done, and like I said before, it would take some time. So make sure to give some time. Don't close the window. As you can see, we can have a look for my newly created domain and host. But what you need to do now, click on manage, and if you scroll down you can see that we have so many options over here. Here you can also see that the status is active right now. That means we can use this domain and host right now, but obviously we have so much work to do. And you can just click on control panel, which is very useful, and once you open that you will end up over here. This is very familiar for the people who actually use hosting and very used to for domain. They would understand like what it is. So actually cPanel is the backend for the website in my opinion. So what you're gonna do now, just scroll down until you find Softaculous app installer, as you can see over. So just click on this, on right click and open link in a new tab. Once you open up, you will end up over here. After that, just click on WordPress and scroll down until you see install now button. Click on this. Here you can just select your HTTP. Obviously I'm going with this one, and your domain, your password obviously, and your username over here. So I'm going with this one, and I'm going with this one, and scroll down, click on install. It will take some time to complete, so wait for a while, and after a while you would see something like this: congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And you can use WordPress right now for to create your own website, like to design your website. And you can see that this is the website link which we have chosen, and this is the WP admin for the backend purposes. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to create website on Profreehost. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.